Arteli kiseng sain perthei baklain bor kathain satay lamingi ka National People's Party NPP pat ka National Democratic Progressive Party Ndpp kelayas no terpeng Nagaland ban pha eka khubor Ïatreilang persya ya ka Ïatreilang ka kenhon sinrop National Democratic Alliance NDA ha kene ka election Lok Sabha ban wan National President ka NPP bat Menteri Rang Ba ka Jila Konrad ke Sangma laikin du ha ka sngi nengkong yau Menteri Rang Ba ka Nagaland Nepirio banterwa ya ka jingkershan ya ka Ndpp ha kene ka election Lok Sabha ka banlong ha ka khandai trik ya yong ka BJP ka larai banum sei kerteng satya Nagaland ban Meghalaya ban ai ka jingkershan ya la kijong ki porlok by Ïatreilang ha ka NDA Hako hima Nagaland kalarai ban kershan ni kertong ka Ndpp ban hatura shlong Lok Sabha seat ban kershan ni ki kertong ka NPP. Namar kene ka NPP ru kala botlang ya ka sinjam jong ka BJP da ka barai ban umsei kertong ban ya khun Nagaland.
In the state committee meeting which we held today, based on the proposal that was given by the state committee, a number of resolutions were taken in my presence today in the meeting that was held in Nethu Resort. The first resolution that we took today officially was to support the candidature that is being proposed and sponsored by the Ndpp for the Lok Sabha elections. We have decided as a National People's Party to endorse that candidature and as a party to support the candidature that has been proposed by the Ndpp in the true team spirit of the NDA. As you're aware, the NDA partners have expressed similar support to the different political parties of the NDA who have sponsored candidates in different parts of the Northeast. The NDA partners are supporting each other in those states also. For example, in Meghalaya, the NDA partners are supporting the candidature of the NPP. In Arunachal, the NDA partners are supporting the candidature of the BJP. And also in Outer Manipur, the NPF has met me today and they have urged for us to support, and officially we have discussed this with the Manipur unit also of the NPP, and our MLAs have also expressed, and the parties expressed that they will support the candidature of the NPF in Outer Manipur also. So hence this is the spirit in which the entire NDA is today working. And it is in that spirit that we met the Honorable Chief Minister of Nagaland, Mr. Rio, and we have handed over the resolution to him, and we have expressed, as I said, our full support for the candidature that is sponsored by the Ndpp. Apart from that, we have discussed other issues related to the overall coalition and the working of the coalition, and those are of course matters which are more internal, and therefore I do not wish to discuss those details. But certain concerns have been expressed, and those have also been shared with the Honorable Chief Minister of Nagaland. We had a very, very positive meeting. In the meeting, there were also representatives from the other coalition partners like the BJP. And as I said, in front of them, also we discussed all the details about the election. And as I said, once again, we are very happy to give our support to the Ndpp candidate.